As you can see, the energy grid is fully self-sufficient.
It's remarkable integration.
Washed and dried again. Finally, the leather pieces are sorted into various boxes according to their quality.
Next, the leather is made smooth and taut with the help of a massive roller.
After that, the Arabian horses are seen on the conveyor belt of a modern factory.
The hides are then measured with a laser and placed in a heat-drying chamber. Leather is dried by inserting it. After drying, the hides are hung in a large warehouse.
মানিব্যাগ ও কার্ড হোল্ডার। চামড়া কেটে ভাঁজ করে মানিব্যাগ তৈরি।
Look how shiny this case turned out.
The stitching on this hat is perfect now.
I think this bottle is my best work yet.
Every product that is created is meticulously examined. If there is any defect, it is corrected.